Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from Japan. This is what you call an Umai crate. They come from www.japancrate.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Their monthly subscription boxes usually have some interesting stuff inside, so let's crack this open and see what's in this one. Alright, as you can see, it's the January 2020 box. So, first thing we see here is the informational pamphlet. Inside there's information on every noodle variety and little bonus item and cool thing that you get. It's very handy. Don't get rid of it because unless you can read Japanese, you'll need this to cook everything. And for a little while now, they've been coming with recipe cards. This is one of those. And now, as usual, we'll go through everything in the box, just picking things out randomly and give you the info from the information pamphlet. So first off, from Yamamoto, we have small shrimp tenri soba. This bowl of soba has a delicious seafood broth consisting of shrimp, mackerel, and bonito. Adding a few sautéed shrimp is a really great way to make this bowl of noodles even better. And another one from Yamamoto, this is their Tanuki Yagi Tonkotsu Ramen. Our second ramen by Yamamoto is a delicious tonkotsu broth. Cabbage and carrots help round out the flavor of this rich, cloudy broth. And then we've got a package of harusame. Vermicelli is a common noodle used in Japan when it comes to sukiyaki dishes. It can even complement some stir-fried vegetables and meat and can be added to your salads. And we have Soba Soup. This is a rich dashi soup stock made with bonito and soy sauce. You can easily make soup for your noodles by boiling the dashi stock in hot water. Next up, we've got some Kimchi Vermicelli. This spicy stir-fried sauce is exploding with various flavors, including a rich gochujang chili paste, garlic, and ginger with vermicelli noodles. Next up, we've got some Itsuki Kumamoto spicy ramen. Flavored with red chili paste, dubanjang is salty paste made from fermented broad peppers. This ramen is sure to bring the extra heat and pack the punch for your taste buds this winter. Oh, cool. Another one from Itsuki. This is their spinach vegetable somen. This somen is handmade with spinach flour and rolled with aso water, a special type of water from Kyushu. Because this somen uses spinach, you can really see it in each strand of noodle. And now it's time for the bonus item. And the bonus item is nori ochazuki with one-piece card. This dish is a classic Japanese comfort food. It has dreamy smells of seaweed and orare, a type of rice and soy sauce flavored cracker. Alright, so in the January 2020 Umai crate, you get snackety snack, spicy ramen, kimchi vermicelli, soba soup, spinach somen, harusame, tonkotsu, teeny tiny shrimp noodle, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, cool. Hey, thanks for watching, and thank you to the folks over at Japan Crate for shooting this Umai crate over. Hey, if you want to get one, surf on over to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.